Is it recording? Okay, hit stop. All right, I want everybody to look at the work of art. Just examine it. I know you've been looking at it for about a minute or two now. We're not going to annotate the art today. We're going to listen to it talk to us. All right? If that piece of art could speak, what nouns would it say? We need to raise hands, guys. Don't just yell out, because I'm going to try and write them up here while you do it, all right? Is moody a noun? Let's do nouns first. I'll come back to you. We're going to do adjectives too. Does anybody want to remind us what a noun is? A person, place, or thing. Lee?
I think it would probably say maybe a certain restaurant name that it likes.
Oh, okay, so you're thinking restaurant? She said African mask. So can we, for mask? I just saw hands go up and now they're down. All the way in the back. Good, speak up. Hawaii, that's a place, right?
I say maybe like some Mexican art or something. Mexican.
So art,
Well, maybe
just nouns, just nouns.
Mexico?
That's a place. But she also said art. Anybody else? Braylon? Person, place, or thing?
I think it could be considered a little abstract.
That's not a noun. We're doing nouns right now. That's good. Y'all are moving ahead. You're actually being advanced. Lee, another one?
I think that he would probably say, I have a lot of shapes in me.
So a shape.
Yes.
Triangle, another shape. Yes. That's a thing. It's a texture. That could be other.
If it's like texture, then abstract.
That one's questionable, but let's go. We're all. Oh, we have more nouns.
Yes.
All the way in the back, Kaylin.
That looks like a tent.
A tent. Texture could be. It's a thing, but it's also that one's one that we could put on others. Colby. Bojangles. Maybe I shouldn't have done this right before lunch. One more.
Like a pig.
Ping, okay. All right, now we're going to go back to these folks that had some descriptive words. Moody. Braylon, what you said earlier.
I said it was abstract.
Yes. Blue? Do you mean blue like as in sad or blue like the color?
Right, the color.
Ceremonial.
Good. These are all so good. All the way back. Salty. Salty. Thank you. I need to just walk back there so I can hear you. We'll do one more right here. Creepy. All right, what about action words? What do we call those action words? Thank you. Verb. Good. Any verbs? Yelling. That open mouth gives you a lot of actions there. Smiling. Yes. Mad. We got to put that somewhere else. Yep. I got to switch colors here. Growling. Lee?
I said I think that he is disturbed.
Disturbed. Joshua, what did you want to share? What did you want to share? Y'all were talking. I figured you were talking about this work of art.
We're not talking about that word.
Oh, well then we need to focus back on this. Right now we're doing verbs that are coming out of that work of art. Action words. What you got for me? Look at it. Any action in there? You can do this. I'll come back to you. Jacob.
It looks like it's growling.
Growling. That's two people saying growling. Right here.
Staring.
Three. Jackson. Okay. One more, Ollie. Okay. That back table, Dallas, y'all got something? You discussing it? You are? You got one for me to put on the board? You want me to come back?
Furious.
Say it louder.
Furious. That's not action.
Yeah, we got to put that under a different one. That's all right. I like how we're not just, we're correcting each other to make sure we know which ones are nouns, which ones are verbs, and which ones are adjectives. Yes, Joshua.
Blind.
Blind. That would be adjective, a descriptive word. I think he's going by the fact that there's all you can see is the whites of the eyes. All right, let's wrap this one more.
I have a magic.
Okay, go for it.
A noun. I think he's on the cup.
On a cup?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Stop.
All right, so you've got this work of art in front of you. I want you to come up with nouns. Does everybody remember what a noun is?
Yes. It's a thing.
It's a thing or a what?
Place.
Or person.
Person or a place, that's right. A person, place, or thing based on that work of art. What do you see? I need you to raise your hands versus yelling out. There's too many people. Yes. You gotta speak up. All right, she said Africa. That's a place, right? Yes? So is that a noun? Monster? There's not really wrong answers, folks. You know how we do this. I like when she used the word hard to describe. I bet we'll come up with some good descriptive words about it. Pre-Columbian? Is that a noun? Pre-Columbian, is that a noun, a place?
It's a time.
It's a time. So would that be maybe describing a time period? Could that be an adjective? Let's put that over here, I'm gonna put it in green. Okay, we're not having sidebar conversations. right, is that a person, place, or thing? Okay, you don't have to be super deep. You can look at it for exactly what's on there. Person, place, or thing. Caleb.
Oh, I thought I think it's a hard thing. Because it reminds me of like
Okay. Alien.
traffic cone.
All right, he said traffic cone. So what is he basing that off of? The
orange.
Shape.
The shape. Is the shape a thing? So he gave me a specific shape like that shape. Orange diamonds. Now, is orange a person, place, or thing?
Thing.
It's a color. But you said orange diamonds. So is that a noun or is that being used as a descriptive word?
Adjective.
Right. So, but that's an adjective. That's all right. We can just put it over here. Yes. Hat. Anybody else think it might be a hat?
No.
Hat. I just heard horn.
Like a nose?
Well, Johnny, repeat that.
A nose?
Nose. Yeah, it has a nose.
A gnome.
Did you say gnome or
A
nose?
nose, because it's like long. If you're looking at a long nose.
A
All right, the
gnome.
word long needs to go over in our descriptive class category. All the way in the back, lady, speak up.
Creature?
Creature.
Say it, I can't hear you.
Creature.
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 What a creature?
What else? Back there.
Geometric.
Geometric. Now, is that a person, place, or thing, or is that to describe it?
To describe it.
So that needs to go in our other column. Why is she, what makes her say geometric?
It has lots of shapes.
That kind of shape, right? They're not organic shapes, are they? They're geometric shapes. Okay? Like a hut? Or a teepee?
What's that? It's a creature, right?
Guys, y'all need to not have sidebar conversations. Anybody else? What about descriptive words?
What is that?
Kendrick, what you got back there? Anything descriptive or noun coming out of that work of art?
Colorful.
Colorful's descriptive.
And the colors? Green?
The symbol.
Oh my God.
So you see symbols. That's a thing, right? That works.
I see it.
Right, and the blue one.
You know, Caleb, I think it's funny. We're recording our little activity and you're rolling around on the floor. Y'all need to stop. It's time to stop.
It's actually go up.
It's inappropriate at any time during class. I didn't ask for an explanation.
You good,
It's
actually.
inappropriate.
This is actually good.
What else?
Maybe longer.
Kendrick said symbols. He said triangles and patterns. Could those both be on here? All right, so we just did regular words. Nouns and adjectives is more like language arts, right? But we're in art right now. Can you remember thinking more like an artist? Lines, so we got lots of that would still go under our nouns, right? What else? Color, shape.
Right.
He said woven. He said woven, the texture. Yes. Seven elements of art, right? She said we got the seven. Is there much value shading in there?
Egyptians or
No,
Mesopotamian?
because it's a 3D already.
No,
It's
they
not-
said
we're not trying to make it
Pre-Columbian,
look
that's what
3D. But,
How are we talking
so what kind of art is that then?
Bossy, I
It's
think
not 2D, I think if it was 3D, it'd say,
you treated me badly. Wait. Wait.
Turn around.
Nah, I'm good. Nah, you want to see Pretty Little Fred?
what about principles of design? That's an element.
What?
That's all right, we got shape on there though, because there are shapes in there.
No, there's a nose. No, I mean, there's not nose.
Austin? He said repetition.
Wait, what?
Patterns in there too. Who said that? Variety, I would definitely say it has variety.
She's gonna know.
Any other principles that you see? Does it have balance?
Nah, I'm just here to try to flirt. You know what I mean? Like,
Well, that almost looks like,
I'm just here to flirt. Like, that's what I think.
what kind of that when it's the same on both sides?
That's the reason I took art. Chucky doesn't art for you. That's the only reason I took art.
Symmetrical would go over here with our word geometric.
Hey, the only reason I took art is to draw.
And somebody else just had their hand up.
The only reason I took art.
Okay. So this piece actually is in the North Carolina Museum of Art.
Wait. Bro, it's ugly. Like, why they have it there?
Well, been going on in pictures there.
When?
It is a work of Africa. It is African. It's
Bro,
from
look
the
at that.
20th century, which means it's modern. Not like what you've been looking at. How many of you
So what's
looked
your
at
name?
ancient
What's your name?
African maps
Why would I tell
yesterday?
you?
I don't know. It's up to the flirt.
Do you
So,
see some
like,
She's gonna
similarities?
stalk you.
The face, she said right off the bat, the
flirt
face
is
is
talking two
similar.
different things.
It has
Yeah,
exaggerated
puppy, bro. Like,
features.
yeah, you can call me puppy. Yeah,
Colors too.
you can call me puppy.
This one is a
You
modern
don't
one,
hear
and it's actually
like
not a
that?
mask. It's about this tall. It's a crown. It's actually to be worn. It's on the head.